Did you know the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series is capable of seeing in the dark? Stick around because I'm going to tell you all about a night vision solution you have to check out. It's your boy Daniel from Dronefly, back with another drone tech update. All right, let's get into it. The Deepthink S8 is a full-color night vision payload available for the Mavic 3 Enterprise series. It attaches to the accessory port on top of the drone, where the loudspeaker spotlight and RTK module would normally attach. With the Deepthink S8, you get super clear, full-color images, even in crazy low-light conditions. We're talking about seeing stuff that's practically invisible to the naked eye. On top of that, the Deepthink S8 is super stable thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. That means you won't get shaky footage even when the drone is moving around. I know what you might be thinking. If I already have a thermal camera on my Mavic, do I really need a night vision camera too? Let's talk about why the Deepthink S8 might be a better or complementary choice to a thermal camera, especially for public safety missions at night. Here's the thing. Thermal cameras are great for seeing heat signatures, which can be useful for finding people or objects in complete darkness if there's a temperature difference. But they don't give you any color information, so it can be hard to identify what you're actually looking at. That's where the Deepthink S8 comes in. Imagine a search and rescue mission in the woods at night. A thermal camera might help you find a lost person by picking up their body heat, but you wouldn't be able to tell if they were wearing a red jacket or a blue jacket, which could be important information for rescuers. So the Deepthink S8 with its night vision and color capabilities can be a real superpower for public safety missions compared to thermal cameras, especially when you need to identify details or have low light conditions. Want to learn more about the Deepthink S8 and how it can level up your operations? Get in touch with one of our experts or check out dronefly.com for the latest info. Make sure to subscribe to stay on top of the latest drone tech. And I'm Daniel. See you next time. Peace.